Hello, I am David Daoud of the itad.academy, and I'm also the principal analyst at Compliance Standards. And this lecture specifically addresses how companies should consider their itad operations at the global level. Now, one of the most interesting topics related to IT asset disposition in enterprise is specifically about the issue of managing itad at the global level and throughout various geographies. Naturally, itad managers, just like any other managers handling other corporate functions across diverse geographies, are also confronted with a set of challenges which, if not properly handled, could create problems for the company. It is normal that one would expect a different set of circumstances when managing various regions, from compliance and regulations to cultural and operational issues. There's really no shortage of differences when handling global itad operations. Now, this topic was mentioned to me by several clients in the past, generally large corporations with operations in North America, Asia Pacific, Latin America, the MEA region, etc. And I've been personally extremely puzzled by the questions that and what would be the best approach to dealing with issues like diversity, for instance. Now, to address this topic, no one is better positioned and experienced than Todd Zegers, president and CEO of consulting firm Circular Integrity. Todd not only accompanied global corporations in their itad operations while he led Ingram Micro's itad and reverse logistics business unit from 2015 through 2022, but he also spearheaded the company's own international expansion. So we have the benefit of hearing from an expert who is not just a consultant, but also a seasoned practitioner. Todd, thank you for accepting to share your valuable insights on this interesting topic. And perhaps my first question, when I am asked about what would be the most effective approach to managing global itad, is decentralized with the region being autonomous better than a centralized model or centralized approach where the headquarters dictates the rules and the processes? To which my usual answer starts with, and I'm quoting myself, "There's no single approach that fits all circumstances, as each company may need a different strategy." What's your first thing or your first thought about what would you tell them?
Guess in true consultant fashion now, I would tell them it depends, right? I remember when I used to ask consultants, what's the price? They would say it depends. So